This video I will tell you that how to fix. Please wait a few minutes before you try again on Instagram. So let's say that if you open up your Instagram and you are actually liking the post or actually following some pupils, and you are getting this error message. Please wait a few minutes before you try again on Instagram. So in this video I will tell you that how to fix this. So generally this error appears when you are rapidly liking some posts or like rapidly following pupils on Instagram. So Instagram is basically telling you to slow down. So the easiest fix for this is to actually put down your phone and turn off the Instagram for like 30 and 1 hour, and when you come back you will see that this problem will be solved. And if this problem is still there, then you actually need to install a VPN, because Instagram might have flagged your IP address. So you need to change your IP address. So you will tap on Play Store here if you are on Android, and if you are on iPhone you will open up App Store and you will search here for VPN, and you will open up, you will install this VPN, because I actually personally using this VPN, that's why I'm saying this. Okay, so you will install this VPN, and then this will actually change your IP address, and then your problem will get solved. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.